for cat who purrs soft and sweet. D is for dog with paws and a leap. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. Big or small, short or tall, animals, we love them all.
I'm in ChatGPT, and by the time you finish watching this video today, you should have all the information you need to be able to make one of these kinds of videos all by yourself. So let's get started. I came here and asked ChatGPT to imagine it was an experienced songwriter. I told it what I wanted the kids' song to about, which is the ABCs and animals. I also asked for a cute chorus to be sung between verses. It wrote this for me. Then I asked it to finish out the song. Now I have the whole thing. Overall, I like it, but some verses had more than 4 animals, and some had less. So, I asked ChatGPT to change that, and give me verses with 4 animals every time. Next, I'll have it create detailed image prompts for each of the scenes. Again, I need to make some changes to these, but I'll do that later. Now I'm going to ask it to give me camera prompts for each scene in my video, and here those are. So now I have my song lyrics, my image prompts, and my camera prompts too. I'm ready to go on to the next step. Now I'm at Suno.com to create my song. To speed things up, I've already pasted in my song. I also cleaned it up and got rid of all that unnecessary stuff. I clicked on Custom so that I could put it right in here. I do not want to click on Instrumental because I want Suno to sing the lyrics for me. Once I've done that, I'll choose the style of music next. I'll try that. Then I'll add the title. Next, I'll click Create. Now it's making 2 songs for me. It always makes 2 at a time, then you can choose the one you like best. And if neither one of them works, you can always redo it. Let's listen to them and see what we have so far.
We'll try this one. There we go.
A is for ant, so tiny and strong. B is for bear who growls all day long. C is for cat who purrs soft and sweet. D is for dog with paws. A is for ant, so tiny and strong. B is for bear who growls all day long. C is for cat who purrs soft and sweet. D is for dog with paws and a leap. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. Big or small, short or tall, animals, we love them all.
Now I've got those 2 songs, and if I decide to use either one of those, all I have to do is click right here, come to download, then choose MP3, and it will download them. If you needed to redo them for any reason, that is definitely an option. Just go through the steps again and create a new song. For now, I'm going to go on to the next step. So now that I have my story and I have my song, now I need some images. Today I'm using PicLumen. It is free, and it's a nice AI image generator. I could also use Leonardo, and if you have another AI art generator that you are familiar with, use that. So I'm in my account. I've already made the images for the video I'm going to be making with you today, but I wanted to show you how to use PicLumen if you've never tried it before. This is my prompt. Let me show you how to work in here. For example, I'll go to Create. Here are some of the ones I've already made. Basically, just work your way across the top. You put your prompt here, then you choose your model. For several of these, I used the Flux version, but I tried others too. You can tell by looking at the little diagram here. Then choose your aspect ratio. You can make 2 images at a time for free. Then, once you're ready, click here to generate. Some of these turned out really good, some not so much so, that's why I made more. If you want to redo your images, you can. It has a lot of different styles to choose from. If you've never used PicLumen, it's pretty simple. Come in here and give it a try. I think you'll like it. Now that all my images are done, I'm ready to go to the next step. Now I'm ready to make my mini videos from my images. Today, I'll be using a site called FreePic, and despite the name, it is not free. So, here are the prices. Right now, I'm inside my account, and there's a video I just made. It does a really good job of creating the videos from your still images. Now you can watch me make one. So I'll click this and get rid of the picture, and now I'll drag in my next image right here, which is a goat. I'll go back to my camera motions inside ChatGPT, and I'll grab this. Now I'll go back to FreePic and put it here. If you want, you can also choose from any of these different camera movements. Next, I'll choose 5 seconds and my image ratio, then I'll click Generate. Once it's finished, it'll be right up here. I'll come back when it's finished in a few minutes. Here's the new video. Isn't that amazing? All that came from a still image. Next, I'll click here to export it. After I download it, I'll go on to my next letter in this video, and I will repeat this same process until I have completed converting all my images into videos. Once that is done, I'm ready to go on to the next step. Now I'm in Canva. I've already started this video to save some time. I've come in here and opened a new video window. Right down here is what I've already done. At the bottom is my song from Suno. All you have to do is grab your song and drag it into the upload section. Then wherever you put your cursor is where the music will go if you clicked on it. So I've already started dragging in videos, and here's some of them. You just drag them into the upload section. Let me shrink this up so you can all the stuff down here at the bottom better. I need to add more mini letter videos. I'll click on this and put it there. Then all I have to do is resize the image manually or choose Set as Background, and it'll automatically fill up the page. Now, if we scroll down, you can see my song's a little long. So I'll grab this blank page for now and stretch it. I'm not going to make the whole song today, but I will show you the process so you can do it yourself. Let's make this bigger, because right now it's kind of tiny. Click on this right at the bottom, where it says Zoom Thumbnails. If you click on the top one, you're changing the page size. If you click on the bottom one, you're making this area down here larger. Now it is a lot easier to see what you're working with. I'll go back to the beginning and show you some of this video. The sound is off, but you can still see what is going on. To make the video sync just right, I'll grab this page and shrink it down a little bit just like that, to fit the music. Now I'm going to add another page. I'll come over here and duplicate this, which is basically the chorus. Then I'll grab this whole page and drag it right behind the horse. When I'm ready to finish the rest of the alphabet, I'll be ready to add the next letter. So now you see how this process works.
A is for ant, so tiny and strong. B is for bear, who growls all day long. C is for cat, who purrs soft and sweet. D is for dog with paws and a leap. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. Big or small, short or tall, animals, we love them all. E is for elephant, stomping away. F is for frog, who leaps as he plays. G is for goat, who climbs up steep. H is for horse, who gallops with speed. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. Big or small, short or tall, animals, we love them all.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.